Nobody talks enough about this how chasing the wrong people can slowly destroy your mental health. Not overnight, not dramatically, but quietly, through unanswered messages, through late replies, through ignored messages, mixed signals, emotional manipulation, constant rejection, and the endless feeling that you are not enough. At first, you think you are fighting for love, friendship, or connection, but years later, you realize you were actually fighting a battle that was not even yours. You were actually fighting a battle that damaged your self worth, your confidence so deeply. It followed you into anxiety, depression, overthinking, and therapy. And today we are going to talk about why this happens. First point, the addiction of chasing validation. The most dangerous thing about chasing the wrong people is this: it becomes addictive because every tiny bit of attention feels like a reward. One reply suddenly makes you happy again, one compliment gives you hope again, one moment of affection makes you forget all the pain, and the brain starts craving those emotional highs, those small rewards. So you ignore the disrespect, you ignore the inconsistency, you ignore all the red flags because deep down you keep hoping they will finally choose you fully. But people who truly value you do not keep you emotionally starving. Healthy relationship do not feel like emotional survival. Second point, the damage happens slowly. Most emotional damage does not begin with one huge heartbreak. It starts with repeated disappointment. You start overthinking every message. You replay conversation in your head at night. You become anxious when they pull away. You can't sleep at night. You blame yourself for their cold behavior, and without realizing it, your happiness becomes connected to their attention. That's when emotional dependency begins. You stop feeling secure inside yourself. Your confidence starts collapsing quietly, and eventually, you no longer recognize the version of yourself you became while chasing someone who never truly cared enough. Third point, why therapy becomes necessary. Years of emotional neglect change people. Constant rejection creates anxiety, mixed signals create trust issues, manipulation creates self doubt, and being emotionally abandoned repeatedly can make someone afraid of love entirely. That's why so many people eventually end up in therapy, not because they were weak, but because they spent too long trying to earn love from people who only gave pain. Therapy often becomes the place where people finally realize something heartbreaking. They were never asking for too much, they were simply asking the wrong people. Fourth point, chasing the wrong people changes your personality. Have you ever noticed how some people become completely different after toxic relationships? The happy person becomes anxious, the confident person becomes insecure. The calm person becomes emotionally reactive. Why? Because constantly feeling unwanted changes the human mind. When someone repeatedly makes you feel replaceable, ignored, or emotionally unsafe, your nervous system starts living in a survival mode. And eventually, you stop chasing love, you start chasing emotional relief. That is one of the saddest transformations a person can experience. Fifth point, the right people bring peace, not confusion. The right people do not make you beg for consistency. They do not leave you confused every day. They do not make you question your worth constantly. Real love, real friendship, and real connection bring peace, not endless anxiety. And one of the most important life lessons is learning this. You cannot heal without you cannot heal while continuously chasing people who keep hurting you. Sometimes healing begins the moment you stop running after those who were never running toward you. A lot of people are sitting in therapy today trying to rebuild the self worth they lost chasing the wrong people. Do not let temporary attention cost you permanent emotional damage. Protect your mind, protect your peace, protect your heart, because not everyone deserves unlimited access to your emotions. And sometimes the healthiest thing you can do is stop chasing forever. If this video spoke to you, subscribe for more content about healing, self-worth and emotional growth. And comment below what is one lesson toxic relationships taught you. Thank you so much.